As schools start this fall, medical experts say coronavirus cases will happen in schools, but Flathead County has procedures in place for when they do.
Between the county and the schools and the hospital, we're just trying to work together and provide as much resources to this problem to support these students.
Ryan Pitts is the incident commander for the COVID response team for Kalispell Regional Medical Center. He says their job is acting as a resource for schools if someone tests positive. The hospital even has a specific nurse dedicated to answering questions for school nurses.
Where the school nurses could contact her or some of our nurses and work through, like, what are the child's symptoms.
He says the hospital also provides guidance for schools on deep cleaning after a positive case. Bill Sullivan with Edgerton Elementary says most schools have a separate room for students with symptoms.
All of our buildings have identified a place where a sick child can go to kind of keep them away from everybody else.
Tamily Robinson, incident commander with Flathead County Health Department, says if there is a positive case, they will immediately identify close contacts through contact tracing and quarantine them. She says this quick response protocol is in place to avoid disrupting school's environment.
Want to avoid opening and closing the school for every single case because, COVID's going to be around for a while and it doesn't make much sense to open and close the school with every case.
Schools have safety plans in place, like assigned seats for contact tracing, social distancing students, and masking. Edgerton Elementary School Principal Jen Stein says their students have responded well to the changes.
Kids have been amazing, and when I ask them about it, they're just so happy to see one another. And we teach those expectations right away, and they're just doing it.
With these plans in place, Tamily Robinson with the health department says the hope is to contain these positive cases to prevent an outbreak from occurring. In Kalispell, Maureen Sue, MTN News.